Good morning. In the previous session, we learned about triangles, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalar triangle. That is based on their lengths, whether it's an equilateral triangle or whether it's an isosceles triangle or a scalar triangle. That's just if all the sides have got equal length, it's an equilateral triangle. If any two sides have got the same length, then it's an isosceles triangle. In a scalar triangle, none of the sides would have the same length. Now let's study about acute angle triangle, obtuse angle and a right angle triangle. In an acute angle triangle, let's say here ABC is an acute angle triangle. Now what will happen is all the angles will be less than 90 degree. This is an example of an acute angle triangle. Let's say if this is 60 degree, that is angle ABC is 60 degree, and let's say angle ACB is 70 degree, then angle BAC would be 50 degree. If you see, all are less than 90 degree. And this is an example of acute angle triangle. In obtuse angle triangle, we'll have, let's say this is 40 degree, this would be 40 degree, then this will be 100 degree. Here one angle, this angle is greater than 90 degree. So this is called an obtuse angle triangle. Any angle, if any of these three angles is greater than 90 degree, then it's an obtuse angle triangle. A right angle triangle where one angle will be, we'll have this angle, we'll have one angle 90 degree. This is an example of an obtuse angle triangle. So I hope, example of a right angle triangle. If you see, here one angle is 90 degree, and in this case one angle is greater than 90 degree, so this is an obtuse angle. This is an obtuse angle triangle, and here this is a right angle triangle. That is, one angle is 90 degree, but here this is an acute angle triangle. So what we have learned till now is equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalar triangle, and next set is based on the angles acute, obtuse and right angle. So in an equilateral triangle, as I have already mentioned, all the sides will have equal lengths. Another property is the angles will be 60 degree, because only then it will add up to 180 degree. Isosceles triangle, as I have already told, the side opposite to it, if let's say the angle opposite to the side will have same value. That is, if A, B and AC are equal, in a equilateral triangle, these two will have the same value. Then it becomes an isosceles. Scalar triangle, all the sides will be of different length. Acute angle triangle, we will have all values less than 90 degree. That is, all the angles will be less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle, one angle will be greater than, if any one angle is greater than 90 degree, it is called an obtuse angle triangle. And in a right angle triangle, you will have one angle equal to 90 degree. So I hope it would have helped you in this learning about triangles.